right, so we have, so we're going to go ahead right here under our vehicle icon. We're going to check out our cam. So if you look in the back, see right here, we have our headrest up, and I'm going to hit the third row headrest. This is to give you more room. If you have cargo space, so you can just drop that headrest. So you can pull the seats forward, drop your seats, have more room.
That is
And then we have our 360 surround camera, which is nice.
That is a very, very clear camera. I was just in the Pacifica, and I was impressed with how clear it is. And I guess all Jeep and Dodge are like using this camera system. This is an incredibly clear camera.
So that's your back camera. You're gonna have your bird eye view. Put a fish on.
That's amazing.
Your towing. Alrighty. And we also have our, and this is just, if you just want it just on the front facing. So now let's say, this isn't a Wrangler, which is built and equipped for full off-roading. Well, let's say you want to do a little, you're driving through some, pretty rough terrain, and your camera gets dirty. Well, you ready for this? Washes and cleans your camera on command. How great is that?
That's amazing.
Alrighty? And then, then we have 2 more different cameras. Just when you thought you've seen all the cameras you could possibly see, we have 2 more cameras. We have our fam cam.
Wow. I have never seen that before.
You can actually select the seat to change your zoom view.
Wow.
And now,
that way you can be like your kids, I'm in my seatbelt. I can see you're not in your seatbelt.
Exactly. And then last but not least, are you ready for
that camera?
For the big reveal?
Yes.
So let's say you're driving and you're just tired of all the blind spots.
Yes.
So you got your rear view mirror. So now instead of just your regular rear view mirror,
oh wow!
Look at that live feed. So even though there is a camera option, camera icon right there, it doesn't record, but this is showing live feed real time. Look at that clear.
What's the difference in like that? Because that's one thing like I've seen like before. It's like that's the camera, but then we go to this. Oh, that's
so
okay.
This is real. The images appear. When you see that sign that says images may be closer than they appear? Yeah. So that is definitely the case when you have it in the live feed.
Okay, yeah, definitely.
So this will be a little bit more accurate and
yeah. You can see depth more when it's like a mirror too. That's a little bit more helps.
And then of course you have all your outputs for charging. And of course you have the latest technology, so you have your USB and your USB-C. You have your 120.
Okay.
And then of course you have your transfer case. Especially living in Chicago, we have all kinds of inclement weather.
Yes.
Sand, not so much. Unless you're going to Lake Michigan Beach or Miller Beach or what have you. So you have your sand and mud. You have your snow. But today's a beautiful day, so we are in auto mode, and then of course sport. If you want to just open up gears a little bit and just have a sportier ride, more performance based, then you can do that. And then of course you have your cell phone, your wireless charging. Just place it right there, and then once you're in motion, that blue light will light up right there, and then it'll begin charging. Perfect. All right. So are you ready for your drive?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right, guys. Quick thoughts on the new Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's like a right here, right?
No, you're gonna go around the bend.
Around the bend. Okay, yeah. So the Jeep Grand Cherokee, it's actually a lot smoother than I thought it was going to be. And I drove a 2020, I believe it was, Grand Cherokee about 6 months ago. And it had great performance on the highway, but it felt a lot disconnected as far as driving. This steering is a lot more connected. You feel the weight of the vehicle a lot more. I'm not sure which engine is this one. Not too much. 3.6, the V6, right?
Yep.
Okay, all right. If there's another one, and it probably is, optimized for better fuel economy over performance. The performance is linear, but it's nothing that's like groundbreaking. So for the everyday use, this is going to be an amazing vehicle. If you want a little bit more performance, you may want to upgrade. Look at upgrading the interior or the engine. But the interior and the features of the cameras are amazing. Really, really amazing. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.